Hi, in this CAS4 guide video, I'm going to show you how to generate reports. So we'll start by logging into the web interface. So put in your email and password and click the login button. Okay, then we're going to click on the Reports tab in the navigation bar at the top, and you'll be taken to the Reports page showing all the reports that can be generated. If you'd like to generate a setup report showing the location tree for your organization, just click the Generate button in line with Setup Report. The report will run and it will download when it's finished, and you can click on it and it'll open up for you. Okay, all other reports need a date and time set to include the relevant audits. So click the Start Date text box and select the date for the start of the period. Then click the End Date text box and select the date for the end of the period. You can limit the locations to include audits at each level of the tree. To limit by building, click the building you'd like to include audits for. The floor select box will reload with only floors in the selected building. To select a range of locations, click on the first in the range. You can press and hold the Shift key and click on the last. You can also select multiple locations just by pressing and holding the Control button as you click them. Once you've made your selection, use the buttons in line with the type of report you'd like to generate. Click the Environmental button to include only environmental cleaning audits, the UV or ultraviolet button to include only UV audits, or you can use the Both button to include both types of audits on one report. If you'd like to clear your selection, you can click the All item at a specific level. All sub-selections will be reset as well. Now, some reports have options to change the score level or the way data is grouped in the graph. To get an average for each functional area rather than each room, choose the functional area option under score level. To have a separate graph and table for each building, choose the building options under group by. Here you can see that each functional area has a score on the graph and in the table. After changing the selection to room, you can see that the graph and table shows each room rather than functional area. You can also see in this report how each building gets its own graph and table. Thanks for watching this guide video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any more questions, get in touch.